Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over Godzilla's face in profile, like side view. All right, let's do it. Gonna go right here and I'm gonna find a lineup. Gonna go pull straight out here for kind of the snout area. We're gonna do like a close-up side view. Curve, slight curve, and downward over here, kind of in the front of the snout area. If you want a more detailed version of this, by the way, go down to the description and go download the head drawing of Godzilla ebook. Is an ebook entirely on drawing the head, and you're really gonna understand it. And you have a little printout. It's awesome. Go check that out. It's 100% free. Pulling back over here into the mouth area, and kind of right there for the cheekbone, or I think they call it a jugo bone for lizards and stuff like that because he's a reptile. Out over here, it's pretty flat, like top of the head. It's pretty far down. Down over here, down. Over here, line, curve over here. Pulling out over here, down, line back, and curve over here. Lined underneath right there, that's kind of like the neck, right? The gangly part of the neck there underneath. Because when you eat something, we all have that, right? Humans have that, lizards have that. Also kind of connects the head into the body shape, so that really helps. Down over here, 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 down over here. Kind of a step ladder right there because of the scales that are on this chest. And the neck gets bigger as it goes down. Something to remember. Line over here downward for the eye. Over here like this. Dot for the nose shape, and let's get into the teeth. So the teeth aren't like that big for the size of his head. Obviously they're triangular shapes and relatively simple. Mm-hmm. Line over here up. And down over here. Line over here. Spike right there. Spike right there. Spike right here. Let's keep think of them as like little mountains. Keep going. And obviously I'm going over Legendary Godzilla, right? The American recent version. Okay, so now like the rest of him is going to be like scales for the most part. You can draw usually there's a line over here, kind of a separation from the lower and upper kind of part of his body. Draw a line over here for the back of the ear. And let's draw another spike over here. I think it needs another one. Yeah, there you go. Line, line, line across over here, kind of around the neck area. And over here, same thing a little bit. But on the back over here, I'm going to draw lines going the other direction as well. Line on top. Over here. Curve here for the cheekbone. Pulling up over here. And what we're going to do is we're going to draw like the back side of the mouth right there, down. Going to go see the back side over there, and I'm going to fill that in. What it does is it makes it look more 3D, like it looks more dimensional when you put the back side of stuff like that. Even no matter what a different orientation, Curve, 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 curve. Line, 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 line. Line over here. Curve over here. Like now the rest of them is going to be like little, like slightly dark shapes, Line, line, line. And like at this point you can kind of throw in stuff that you want. You can throw in like Little dark shape over here in the back. Don't forget to hit the like, by the way, and share the video. When you share the video, it's like a big deal. Helps the channel out. I want to keep this channel alive through the holiday, the non-holiday season, right? I want to keep it alive and running. And the only way I can do that is if people watch, the videos and maybe share them. But, please consider it. It would really help out if you guys like the content on here. And you can throw like little lines over here. Maybe it looks like a little brim of shadow right there. And then curve, curve, curve over here. Again, you can kind of just keep adding this stuff. But this has to be a little bit thinner though, because if it's too thick, right? If the line is way too thick on some of these things, it's going to distract from it. So everything you draw in here, you can draw almost anything, but it has to be like not as distracting as the outer line. Curve, curve, curve. Line over here. Fill it out. Line, line, line. Curve, curve, curve. And again, see, we're just going to keep adding these little nicks and crannies and stuff like that until you're fully satisfied, right? That's kind of up to you what to do. Maybe darken out over here, a dark shape around the eye to kind of create focus in that eye. That's a really big thing. I like doing that a lot. Maybe you like doing it as well. Fill it out. Fill it out over here. Line, line. Line, line, line. Line, line, line. Line, line, line. Line over here. Curve, 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 right? Like, again, you're just kind of like shaping out things. A lot of it I'm thinking of is like, how do I make them look a little more dimensional, right? Little curve over here, little curve over here, which represents like a spike, a scale. But I want to thank you very much. You're awesome. I want you to stay with me. We're going to do another drawing lesson together right now, okay? So stay with me right now. Let's do another one together. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.